Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Teacher Christine. So today we're going to learn about decimals, relationship between fraction and decimals. So when we say decimal, any number shown with a decimal point, a number based upon tens or hundreds. So here are the example of decimal. 0.2, 0.375, 86.4. So these are the example of decimal. Fraction, one or more of the equal parts of a whole, a number usually expressed in the form AB, or 1 over third, 2 and 5/8, 7 over 4. So these are the example of fraction. So these are the parts of decimal, 17.48. So this is the whole number part, 17, and decimal point. This is the decimal point. And 48 are the decimal part. 4 is tens, and then 8 is hundreds. 17 is the whole number. Okay? So here are the example of fraction to convert into decimal. So remember, as you can see, we have 10, 100, 1000. So remember, if 10 from decimal point, it is only 1. And 100, it has 2. From here, 1, 2. 1000, it has 3. From here, 1, 2, 3. So 1 over 10 is 0.1. So we shaded the 1 out of 10. So 1 over 10 is 0.1. 7 over 10, we shaded the 7 out of 10, equals 0.7. 18 over 100, so it is 0.18. So 100, it has 2 decimal places from decimal, 1, 1, 2. 57 over 1000, so it is 0.057. So 1000, it has from decimal point, it has 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. 124 over 1000, 0.124, say 0, 1, 2, 3. So if 1000, it has 3 decimal places. Say a fraction with a denominator of 10. Okay, so this is the denominator 10, 10, 10. Converted a decimal place number, 1 decimal place. So 1 over 10 is equal to 0.1. So from decimal, the place is 1. Okay. 6 over 10, 0.6. So from here, 1. 32 over 10, so 3.2 from 3 and then 1. Only 1 if is it 10. 178 over 10, so equals 17.8. So from here, it is only 1. From here, only 1. 1 place. 1 place. Okay, 0.6. Next. A fraction with a denominator of 100. So 100, it has 2 decimal places. So 100. So 5 over 100, that is 0.05. So 0 from here, 1, 2. Again, if the denominator is 100, so these are the denominator, the decimal place is have 2 decimal places. So 0.025, 1, 2, 43 over 100, 0.43, From here, 1, 2. 159 over 100. From here, 1.59. So 1, 2. 2550 over 100. So 25.50. 100, it has 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Next. A fraction with a denominator of 1000 can be readily converted into 3 decimal places. Remember, 1000, it has 3 decimal places. So we have 1000, 1000, 1000, and 1000. 7 over 1000 equals 0.007. So 1000, it has 3 decimal place number from point 1 to 3. 39 over 1000, so 0.039 from here, 1, 2, 3. 546 over 1000, so equals 0.546. From here, 1, 2, 3. 8,290 over 1000, so equals 8.290. From here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, again, in 10, 1 decimal place. In 100, it has 2 decimal place. And 1000, it has 3 decimal place. So how to convert fraction into decimal? So 1 over 5th. So to become the denominator is 10, 1 over 5th multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. Okay? 1 times 2 equals 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. That's why this is 10. 1/5 you convert, you multiplied into, so 2 over 10. So the decimal is 0.2. So 1. That's why the answer is 1/5 is equal to 0.2. 4 and 3 over 20. 4 and 3 over 20. Multiply 20 times 4 or 4 times 20 plus 3. 4 times 20 equals 80 plus 3, 83. And then copy the denominator is 20. So in decimal, we have 10, 100, and 1000, right? So to become 100, let's multiply this to become 100, the denominator. So 83 times 5, 415. 20 times 5 equals 100. So 415 over 100. The 100, it has 2 decimal places. So equal 4.15. So 4, 1, 2. So the answer is 4.15. So we have examples here. So 2 over 5th, to become 10, you multiply in 2, right? The 5 times 2 equals 10. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 times 2 equals 10. That's why 0.4. The decimal is 10, only 1. 3 over 50. So the fraction is 3 over 50. To become 100, you multiplied into 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 50 times 2 equals 100. So 6 over 100. So 100, it has 2 decimal places. 0.06 from 1, 2. 6 over 25. So to become 100, this 25 multiply in 4. Yes, 6 times 4 equals 24. 25 times 4 equals 100. So it has 2 decimal places. 0.24. 1, 2. 5 over 4. So to become 100, we're going to multiply it by 4 times 25. Okay? 5 times 5, 25 is 125. So 100, it has two decimal places. So 1.25, 1, 2. 7 over 250. So that is 0.025. So 1,000. 250 to become 1,000 multiplied by 4. Okay, so we have examples. 8 and 7 over 100. So you copy the whole number 8 and then 0.07. 7 over 100. 100, it has two decimal places. That's why copy the 8 and then 07. 1 and 91 over 100. Copy the 1 and then 91. It is 100, 1, 2. Two decimal places. 85 over 100 is equal to 0.85. 252 over 100, so it has two decimal places, 1, 2, that's why 2.52. 1, 2. Okay, 5 over 2 equals 2.5. Why? Times the 2 to become 10 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 2 times 5 equals 10. So 10 is 1 decimal places. That's why 2.51. 3 over 4 is equal to 0.75. So 4 to become 100. How many? 25. 3 times 25 is 75. 0.75. 7 over 5 is equal to 1.43. Okay, you just look this if you answer on page 35. Okay, 6 over 10 is 0.6. 8 and 7 over 100. You just write 8.07. Okay? 12. You answer that. Okay? Convert fraction into decimal. You make it decimal. Okay? And this is convert the following fraction into decimal. Decimal again. 5, 2 to become 10, you multiplied by 5. 5 times 5, so the answer is 0.5, 2.5. Okay? So that is page 35. Look at the examples in our previews. Okay? So you just look here. Yeah, we have examples here and here. Okay? If you answer page 35, of your book. Okay, that's easy. Okay, bye-bye. Good luck.